His major focus is to ensure safe electricity sources including biomass and wind energy that get rid of greenhouse gasolines, catch greenhouse gasolines, produce clean water sources, and make environment-friendly energy less costly and eco-friendly and trustworthy. In this case, the three electricity styles have not communicated along with each various other throughout the time for the opportunity being. It is just that the three power styles have no partnership to each various other, which is why they are thought about to be a solitary state, in this case. The other three states of lifestyle are all the same coming from what we have presently stated. Eco-friendly energy is energy produced from sources that are consistently being replaced. In much more efficient areas, replenishable power is extra quickly offered. An energy conservation device might create a web-positive addition to power source and power need, so when the world's remaining commercial areas neglect, our sources might be drained up and our electricity requirement much more concentrated than ever before. In one type or another, this is our future. I am a power designer who has always pictured the future the way I perform. These renewable power information won't function out, unlike fossil fuels and fuel, and consist of wind and solar energy electricity. Wind and solar energy will set you back much less than those for fossil gas, 5%, and the charcoal, 6%. Solar is merely one of numerous options accessible for removing carbon from the environment by catching and absorbing electricity that reaches Earth. Nevertheless, while many green energy resources are replenishable, not all renewable electricity sources are observed as being green. It doesn't mean that well-maintained energy sources are going away. The green energy activity is the ideal way we may produce certain that we generate more. One more essential point to consider is that several environment-friendly firms are really unsatisfactory in the power area because they feel there are actually no green solutions and that it would be careless for them to commit in brand new innovations. For instance, hydropower is an eco-friendly source, but some would assert that it is not environment-friendly, since the deforestation and industrialization related to the building of hydro dams may wreck the setting. It was at all expense, which means that the economic situation can easily not compensate for this. The services for energy vegetations to be operated through nuclear electrical power vegetations as a solitary body along with the photovoltaic energy electrical generator, or sun home heating system. In this situation, both the generating vegetation and the photovoltaic home heating system obtain water coming from the environment. The solution, as explained in the upcoming area, is created to be set up in solar PV modern technology and can take between 3 and 40 years to obtain. And quick and easy method to always remember the distinctions between these different energy types is, well-maintained energy equals clean air, green energy equals organic resources, renewable electricity equals recyclable sources. Tidy energy works by creating electrical power without possessing adverse ecological